Wow. I feel a little uncomfortable. I don't know. Am I right for tonight? Am I like fly like that? You know, check me out, man.
Maybe you should have hired a costumier for the night.
Sounds like a good idea. One phone call away. I'm telling you, just one call.
Derek, wait a minute. Are you this excited or are you just acting it? Like you were seriously excited or something?
You think if I went through the trouble of spending £500 just to get this on this special night, and you ask me if I'm thinking, don't try me, yo. I could just bust your mouth there.
Okay. All right.
What are you talking about?
No problem. I'm gonna sit here and watch how the whole shit spells out.
Well, let me pick my phone call. Hey.
Hey, are you going to keep a lady waiting?
No, how dare me keep you waiting. Look, I'm sorry. I'm gonna be there in a split second.
Then, come pick me up, baby.
Okay, I'll be there very soon, alright? Later.
Oh, player. Oh, come on, buddy. I thought you said you've quit playing games. So, who is Lily Spiff?
Spiff
Yeah.
is a no spiff. She's a nobody.
Excuse me? Come on, nobody don't do messages. I mean, especially when it sounds very passionate, you know, when it spells out passion.
Give me. Just deal with this quickly. I will see you later. I am busy. Come on, shut down, let's go.
Shut down, please. Let's go. Okay, shut down.
I just don't get it. I mean, he's the one that asked for us to chat tonight, so why is he being so funny? And he says there that he's online, so obviously he's online.
Here comes. Trust me, no man can be sent message with these hyper-romantic fingers of mine. And we don't.
Really? What does he say? Open it. I'm busy right now. I'll talk to you later. I knew it. I mean, someone told me that this is how these so-called superstars behave.
Relax. Don't get yourself worked up. He could be on set, you know.
Set my fine ass. I mean, that's what they always claim I hear. How much does he get to be on set anyway?
Derek is a big boy. He makes more than 1 million per movie.
Look, Lily Spiff is a big girl. I'll pay him ×2. No, ×3. What am I saying? I'll pay him ×5 of that if he'll just pay me a little attention.
You can't wait to lay your hands on that guy, can you?
Oh, he's so cute. Oh, those lips. Ooh, darling, the things I could do with lips. God forgive me.
Are you sure Daddy Darius is dropping on us again?
He wouldn't dare.
Presley,
Auntie,
you still haven't laced your shoes?
Auntie, I have a problem tying the shoelace. That's why I prefer the old shoe.
Well, you're going to have to use the new one. Let me help you. Just look at it, simple, like this. You put it in like this, then you tie it. My God. How long is it going to take you to learn how to make your shoes? Hello, girl. I'm on my way. Presley isn't helping me at all. The manager? Why? I'm on my way. Bye, bye.
Come on, Auntie. That's not fair. I've been ready since.
Really? Well, my dear, you wouldn't call this ready, would you? Presley. It's your shoes, and then you say you're ready. I got it. My goodness, was that you pressing the bell like that? Were you trying to break it? He's home for crying out loud.
I'm so excitement. I got his number.
I'm not sure. Can you just tell?
Well, since you can't remember, I shall remind you. I am Lily Smith. You were certainly ego. You have forgotten me entirely.
No, it's just that don't get offended, okay? I was up late last night, and my brain is a little slow. I'm drowsy. Mind me?
Oh, are you in a production?
Production?
I mean, shooting. Isn't that what you guys call it?
No, not at all. I'm sorry. Listen, Lady Spiff, where did we meet? That's the daughter. Former governor's daughter. I can't hear you.
Is someone there with you?
Yeah. Yeah, my PA.
Okay, so, you and I have been chatting on the net for a while, and your number from my friend.
You what, Lily, right? Can I, can I?
Are you sure you'll call me back, or should I just call you back in an hour?
Let's see. Or whatever.
What is wrong? I mean, why can't he give me a little attention? Is this how he behaves with his fans? Goodness.
Come on, Lily. You are not a fan, you're a desperate lover.
Whatever.
Hello. Hold on, please. Sir, you have a call, sir. Melvin, sir. Oh, Melvin. Okay. Yeah. Victor. Sir. Give me some nice clothes. Put a combination together. Alright, sir. Wake me up.
Okay, sir. This is a talk forum between the governor and cross-section of youths, which you are expected to give some kind of credibility and publicize the whole stuff.
Please. Melvin, sorry, just go ahead. Go ahead, please.
Is there a caller I need to know?
There is nothing you need to know about the caller. It's an irrelevant call. Okay? Don't be distracted. Go ahead.
I'm not the one being distracted here.
Well, then let me deal with my stuff. Let me deal with mine. Just go ahead with why you invited me.
I don't think you truly understand the meaning of an artist manager.
Yes, I understand the job of an artist. And that includes the manager not being distracted by an artist's stream of phone calls. Neither is that manager to be nose in his artist's private affairs. Now, Melvin, I'm sure you know your bounds. Can you just go ahead?
I heard about BC Coker's melodrama at the Chinese restaurant last night.
Yes, I knew you would have heard that. Because you always listen to the bad things, the bullshit. Keep your ears on the ground for the nonsenses. You know what? If that would be all, just let me know so I can just move to some reasonable things, please. I don't have time for all of this. Who is Lily Spiff?
How do you mean? You mean you? is one of the richest single lady we have in this country. Her father used to be the governor of Cross River, Donna Smith. You have not.
Seriously. Seriously. And is it because she's rich and single and her father? Probably both reasons. That is why she thinks she can buy my time.
Yeah. She's the one that's been calling you.
Hey, she's the one that's been calling me. You don't expect me to be calling her. She tells me she's come to Nigeria for holidays simply because of moi.
And she's paying you. Come on, man. You're a businessman. Tainer! I'm your good old manager. Come on, let me fix a deal.
A deal? With whom?
Have her number, please.
Hell no. I'm not going to give you her number because I don't want no bullshit deal from you.
Come on, please. We can make something from... Come on, money talks and bullshit does the remaining things. Come on, man. Give me the girl's goddamn number.
A chance, all right? Just forget it. If that is it, I'm out of here.
See ya. No, come on. Let me have the number. Hey, Timmy.
You know, the first time we met was in and it was still a bit uppity. He had this attitude.
Shoulders flying high.
You know what I'm saying? But look at that. I have no time with all of that. Can you pass me my phone, darling? Sure. Ooh, no number. Yeah. Hello? Who's speaking?
This is Didi.
Who's Didi?
Didi. Derek Douglas.
Oh my God! Hi. Just hold on. Let me. And okay.
Are you there?
I'm parked. We can talk now. How are you? How are you feeling?
I'm cool. Nice. And you?
Very well. Thank you. Some guy called me. Someone called Melvin.
Yeah, that's my manager.
He says you can't make it to Calabar. Is that true?
No, I can't. You see, I can't because I need to be doing some stuff, you know. But I'm sure he told you I was going to be in is that a better place?
Sure, wherever you say, you know, anytime you say. I just want to meet you.
Sure, no problem. Tell you what, Lily, I have to go now because somebody's waiting for me. All right? I just wanted to call and let you know, that I'm ready and willing to meet with you. Okay?
Okay. It was really nice talking to you. Thanks for calling.
Right on. Have a good one.
She's he just called. Oh my God.
Everything she wants in a man. He's a cutie. She's got money. He's the reason she's crazy. She can wait for her own room service. Room service.
Auntie Gina. Auntie, wake up.
You're still awake?
Auntie, I am hungry.
It's already past 11 p.m. Presley. What am I supposed to do?
Auntie, I am very...
I thought I'd make quicker oats for you in the evening.
Auntie, I thought you used to bring back food from the office.
Oh yes, I used to bring food from the office. But if you have noticed, for some days now, I haven't done that.
Why? Do you do at the office?
No. I mean, yes, but I'll sort it out very soon.
When?
Very soon, Presley. Let's go and see how we can solve your hunger problem.
Auntie, do you call Auntie Juliet? Lately, I saw her in my dream.
You did? So, what did you dream about now? Come here, big one.
Yeah, 10 precisely.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, 4 will be staying in the suite. Okay, sir.
All the rest is the rooms.
Sir, there is no problem about the rooms, sir.
Okay.
But the suite, sir. The VC is still around.
No, the VC will be checking out today.
Alright, sir. I'll then inform the accounts people to prepare his.
Just do that exactly, okay?
Alright, sir. So one more thing, sir. The girl on suspension is actually due to resume today. Okay. And she's reported already. I don't know what to do, sir.
Just do whatever you feel like doing, okay? But just make sure you don't get her back. Is that clear?
Alright, sir. Alright, sir.
And one more thing.
Yes, sir.
Please understand the caliber of guests we expect here this evening. And don't do anything that will discredit us.
I won't, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, you sir.
Oh, I know. Yes, I do. What I want in my life. I wanna wake up and see the on your face. There's a reason I'm crazy. I can't wait for room service. Room service. Room service. Room service.
There's been a delay?
Well, the organizers of the event pushed my arrival for tomorrow because they believe that the governor will not be in the state until tomorrow, which means I arrive tomorrow and the forum will not be happening. It's been pushed for another 2 days.
I spoke with Melvin yesterday and he didn't tell me anything about it.
Well, I'm just over minutes ago. That's when I got that phone call. You know, Lily, we will meet tomorrow, okay?
I'm a bit apprehensive. Everything is going down the drain. Could we keep our meeting irrespective of what the state government is planning?
Or what happens, we will meet tomorrow, okay?
Okay. I'll be here.
I promise I'm not going to let you wait for long.
All right. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Okay,
Who's that?
It's Mr. Melvin, sir.
What up, chap? What's happening? Now? No more tomorrow morning? Melvin, please listen to me. I don't like it when you push me around. Can you just make up your mind what you want to do? Just make up your mind on the schedule and stop pushing me around. I hate it. Victor, there has been another change of plan. You have to pack everything again. Sorry. Oh God, I hate this.
Let's see. Arrange the bags, the shoes, and hang up my coats.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, sorry.
Let's see. To the reception, and you turn to your right. That's where the restaurant is.
Yes, ma'am.
And the bar?
Oh, it's just adjacent the restaurant.
What is that? A stain? Is that a stain on the bed sheets? My goodness. Look, I expect you to change the bed sheets. Clean the room, clean the bathroom, clean the bleeding living room, clean under the bed, everywhere, because I will not take dirt. Do you understand me?
I do.
Not sleep in filth. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Good. Brilliant.
It's just too touchy for crying out loud. Just because of a simple small stain she saw on her bedsheet, she branded the whole room unkempt and demanded we clean. I hope this supervisor is watching, because nobody will expect me to work late and then ask me to come back as early as 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. I won't though.
Calm down. This kind of people, I love working for them. Anything they ask me to do, I will do. Because finally when I'm leaving, something will enter my pocket and I'll go home smiling.
Easy for you to say. Me, with Presley alone at home.
Even this. Jesus. This one is Vivian Westwood. One of the biggest designers we have. Gina. $1,000. Oh, I'm serious. Hey, oh, you think I'm lying? I'm not lying, no. Just look at the stuff. Look at it. Feel it. See how it is.
I felt it.
Hey, Gina, wear this thing for me. You know you have booty. Wait, let me see.
Are you out of your mind?
Gina, just wait. Just wait before she comes. Nobody will see it. Just wait.
Arrange the woman. I'm not in this thing.
Wear this thing for me now, please.
When did this last supplies come in?
On 19th, sir.
19th of this.
Yes, sir.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, please.
Are you insane? Come on, go.
He's a star. She's obsessed. He is everything she wants in a man. He's a cutie.
Oh my God, Gary Douglas, you're very welcome, sir. How are you? Very fine, sir. You're welcome to go.
Thank you.
Room service. Room service.
Find your way back. Very good, just give the key to Victor. Yeah? Victor, you heard?
Room service. Room service. Room
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes. Can I help you?
Yeah, we met last year in at Linda Hunter's child's dedication. Linda is my sister.
Oh my God. You're not serious.
I am.
Where is she?
She's in the city and she's been here for close to 2 months.
Oh my goodness. You have to take me to her.
I will.
See you.
You too. Yeah, you look good. You didn't change much.
Oh, darling, have to say.
There we go. Yeah. So, sir, that way? Good. Very welcome, sir. Thank you. I hope you have my PA's key as well.
Oh, certainly, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
And Lillian Smith, the ex-governor's daughter, is she in? Oh, the ex-governor's daughter?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Nice. What's her room number?
215.
And
215.
mine is
219. Yeah.
Great.
Sweet, sir. You're
Right.
very welcome.
He's a star. She's obsessed. He is everything she wants in a man. He's a cute. She's got money.
Yeah, Phil. Are you here? Okay. The driver is
Could you make sure that house leaves my seat at the reception? You're a bit funny about this. I really like to have it on this.
Room service. Room service.
You are what my people will refer to as Enenebe Jolo. Look at the figure. Hey, Gina, you're beautiful. Forget the money no deal. If money there, baby, go they shine. No. Wait, let me see. Move it now. Wait, she's back. She's the one.
You're going to get me into trouble. Help me.
Wait, let me check. She's looking.
Wait, get this thing out.
It's a man. Wait, you will take this vessel. You will take. It's a man. Let me just go and discharge him. We can't put this before he comes. Don't go to this again.
It's fine. I like to make it a surprise. Hello. Hi. That's a beautiful, sexy dress. aware how beautiful you are. Beautiful.
Thank you.
And obviously you weren't expecting me tonight, so you're getting dressed to meet up with somebody else. I'm sorry to tell you, sorry to interrupt. That man has to wait because I'm here and I'm taking you for dinner right now.
Well, excuse me, sir. Madam, please, sorry to email, but I think you should oblige him on this request.
No, I'm not going to take no for an answer. Where you going?
Madam, you look very beautiful and no one would want to let go. Let me get your earrings. Actually, please. God, I'm sorry, madam. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
I have a call, excuse me. Hello? Yeah? Yeah, Melvin. I'll be there in no time. Yeah. Okay. Alright, man. Okay, now, come on, I'll sort it out.
Your shoes, madam. Madam, your shoes.
Have a good one. Alright, thank you.
I'm sure they will look beautiful on you.
Come on, put them on.
Put them on.
Really nice shoes. You have a good taste.
Thank you, sir.
Wait, come on. That's how we are before that gentleman meets me here. I'll take you away.
And let me get the bag down. I think the slim one will be beautiful.
No, I don't know. Hey! Oga actor! I greet, sir.
Almost, what do you want here?
Sorry, sir.
Almost, I asked you a question. What are you doing here?
Okay. Now they will full flash that you say make I full flash bring for you. So I don't put a break and call.
Carry on go kitchen. Put that for me there.
Like that. For kitchen like
yes,
this.
almost. Just go, eh?
Hey!
Almost.
Hey.
Thank you.
Jesus, I like this. I like this. Yeah.
I have planned this meet for such a long time.
That's what I'm trying to make you understand. Can you just wait for a while? Is it too much to ask for?
Yes, it is. You can't wait. Look, just meet the terms of our arrangement. That's all I ask.
You paid me for us to meet, right?
So can we meet?